Once upon a time in a far-off land, a princess, a homeschooling mama, who was a YouTuber, wanted to grow her channel. But no matter how hard she tried, her channel just wasn't growing as quickly as she wanted. And then, magically, one day, she discovered the power of AI. And using this newfound technology, the channel began to grow and hit milestones faster than ever before. Okay, scratch that. I'm done being goofy. But seriously, have you ever wanted to grow a YouTube channel successfully or maybe just faster? Well, AI can help. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that AI can be your best friend in growing your YouTube channel faster. Okay, the first thing that any YouTuber knows when it comes to getting views on their video is they have to have a very good title. Because if you don't have a good title or you don't have a good thumbnail, then it doesn't matter how good your content is because no one is going to click through to your videos. So what I found was an AI tool called Jasper, because as of the time of this recording, ChatGPT-4 has just come out and now it's a paid service. So people aren't able to use that for free anymore. So I actually prefer the tool Jasper. So one of the things I like most about Jasper is that ChatGPT really requires the user to know what they're asking for in order to get successful answers from the software. So you need to be able to write really effective prompts, whereas with Jasper, they've created all of these workflows and templates for you. So you can simply go to the template that you want for your needs. In this case, I've done video titles, creating engaging, click-worthy titles for my videos that will rank on YouTube. So let's go ahead and see what Jasper comes up with. So here we go. I'm going to ask it to give me 3 really good titles, or how about we do more? We're gonna get 9 different titles on a video about 3 ways AI can grow a YouTube channel. And hint, hint, this may have been one of the titles that we actually chose for this video. So, how AI increased my views, subscribers, and revenue on YouTube. I mean, if that's not click-worthy, I don't know what is. How to use AI to grow your YouTube channel? Okay. Why AI is the future of YouTube and how your channel can benefit. It's got some good curiosity. 3 ways AI can help grow your channel. How AI will change the face of YouTube. How AI is taking over the world. Why you shouldn't worry about AI growing your YouTube channel. So they've given you a lot of variety here. Okay, since this is not really accurate because it is artificial intelligence, I'm going to stick with the original title, How AI Increased My Views, Subscribers, and Revenue on YouTube. Because to be honest, if you get more views, if you get more subscribers, and you're monetized on YouTube, you're going to increase your revenue. And using AI is going to help you create those titles, create catchy hooks for your videos that are going to give you more views. But here's the best part. The second thing that AI can do to help you grow your channel, your views, your subscribers, and your revenue on YouTube is coming up with good quality ideas that your audience is already interested and looking for. So I'm going to head over to my actual YouTube channel, and I grabbed one of my videos that performs very well on my channel. How to grow a Facebook group to your first 1K members fast in 5 steps. So go over, if you've already got a YouTube channel, and take a look at the videos that you have already created that are getting a lot of views and engagement. And then come back over here to Jasper Chat and say, can you give me a list of video ideas that are similar to this video that is getting a lot of views on my YouTube channel. So I'm giving Jasper Chat quite a bit of information, right? Can you give me a list of video ideas that are similar to this video that is getting a lot of views on my channel? And then I give Jasper the actual title. And Jasper is going to actually give me different types of ideas for videos I can create. So I could create 10 tips for growing my Facebook group. A lot of times, I know this is going to sound funny, but just redoing a video that you've had success with in the past and putting some small tweaks on it can actually get a ton of views on that video again. I did this with 2 videos on my channel, clickable link on Facebook, and then I redid it in 2022 because there were a lot of changes to Facebook, and both of those videos on my channel have a lot of views. They're like my 2 top performing videos. So do not disregard this tip of recreating videos that are similar to your best performing content. So here's another one: how to double your Facebook group member count overnight. Now, if you can't actually do that, then you can't teach people about this. But 5 hacks for increasing engagement in your Facebook group. That's another great one. How to automate your Facebook group. So again, that's another spin on something about growing a Facebook group to 1K. Getting from 0 to 1K members in your Facebook group, an insider's guide. So the secrets that nobody else is talking about. So you can do this with any of your top performing videos on your channel, or you can look at your competitors or people that inspire you on YouTube, grab their top performing video and ask Jasper to come up with ideas for your own videos that are similar to what you're seeing on their channel. So maybe you love to follow channels where they do 30-day challenges. Let's just try that out. Give me a list of ideas for interesting and unique 30-day challenges that I could record a video on to go viral on YouTube. Now, I have no idea what this is going to say, but here we go. 30 days of saving money and investing wisely, 30 days of self-love and acceptance, 30 days of decluttering, 30 days of working out, 30 days of eating healthy and losing weight, 30 days of exploring a different city every day. Wow, that would be difficult, but interesting. So you could use these video ideas, and then afterwards you could take that video idea, put it in the video titles template over here for YouTube, and come up with some really good click-worthy titles for your YouTube video. Now, in a recent video on my channel, I was talking about how you can grow your channel faster in general, not with just AI. And one of the things that I mentioned in that video was using YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are getting so much exposure right now that they give you the ability to get a lot of eyeballs on your content. And in turn, there is a portion of those people that will turn into subscribers. So how do you get more views on your YouTube Shorts? Well, you can use AI again to help. So here I am over with Jasper Chat. Give me ideas for YouTube Shorts videos that will go viral. So you could ask Jasper Chat for ideas on how to go viral. Funny pet videos, a day in the life of a blank, pranks and challenges, DIY crafts and tutorials, short comedy skits, science experiments. So if any of these are relevant to your niche, you can use these and incorporate. These are the types of things that AI is seeing going viral on YouTube right now. But maybe that's not what you do. So what if you just want to go viral with the type of content that you're already creating? So I'm going to try and come up with a viral YouTube video title for something as boring as email marketing. I probably should have said, give me a list of them, but they came up with unlock the secrets of email marketing, create a winning newsletter strategy, or write a viral YouTube Shorts title about a video titled, Is Email Marketing Dead? Because that's already going to invoke a little bit more curiosity than what I gave Jasper Chat. Discover if email marketing is still relevant. Don't miss out. So I could even just leave it, discover if email marketing is still relevant. So this is going to give you ideas for your videos. It's going to give you titles that invoke curiosity, that are going to make people want to click on your content, which in turn is going to help you get more views, more subscribers, and earn more revenue from your YouTube channel. So I hope this video helps you out in using AI to your advantage. Now, it's not perfect. ChatGPT isn't perfect. Jasper Chat isn't perfect yet, but they're growing and they're evolving every single day and giving you better, higher quality information. And part of that comes from practicing and using the tools in order to get really good at the prompts that you're giving it so that you can get back the type of information that you're looking for. So if you want to go ahead and try Jasper Chat, I'll go ahead and put my link below. You can get 10,000 words on me, and I'd love to hear if you tried any AI in your next YouTube video and how it worked for you. I'll see you in the next video.